Everyone, today we will be making a butterfly. So what you need is a square piece of paper and tape. It's optional. So let's start. Take your square piece of paper, put it into diamond, take bottom edge and fold it to top edge. And give it a sharp crease. Now you can unfold it. And now fold it like this. Take the bottom edge and fold it up to the top edge. And give it a nice sharp crease. Now unfold it. Now put it back into a square. Now you have an X. So now take the bottom edge and fold it to the top edge. And give it a nice crease. And then put it like this. Take the bottom edge and fold it to the top edge. Now flip the paper over. And now you see right here we have two diagonal lines and one in the middle. So take the middle line, put it in, and then put those two together and like this. And then give it a nice sharp crease. Even do the same with this one. Put this one in and put these two in. And give it a sharp crease like this. Now you see there's two flaps. Take only one flap and fold it down, but on like below leave a little bit of space like this. Do the same with the other side and leave a little bit of space like this much. Now you see there's one middle line right here. Flip the butterfly over. There's this point. Fold it up, but don't squeeze it. Just keep it like this and let it has to be like a little bump. Like keep it like a little bump, but do not squeeze it. Do not put it down. And then you see this top thing, like this top, then fold that thing down. And now in the middle, put it like this, fold it, and you can unfold. And look, you have finished your butterfly. If it's like coming out like this, you can put the tape on. A little bit. And it's like that. And your butterfly's ready. That's it. Thank you. Goodbye. Please do like and subscribe to my channel.